Adding a WAN recorder. To add supported WAN recorders to your Victor application server, click the Create New Item icon. Next, navigate to the Video section and from the options select Recorder. The recorder configuration screen will now be displayed. Enter the IP address for the recorder. Enter the communication port, or leave this blank if the default ports have not been changed. Next, enter the recorder's username and password. Enter the streaming port if required. Next, expand the WAN configuration section. Enter the recorder's IP address or domain name. Add the communication port being used for HTTPS streaming. Enter the streaming port and then select Save to add the recorder. To check this, expand the devices list and you should see the recorder displayed if it has been successfully added.